This is Keny the Handyman, and today I'd like to get some suggestions from my viewers on how to prevent the hair from constantly clogging up my tub drain. Maybe replace the mechanism in there so that I can do an easy clean out instead of having to manually clean it out. So I've raised 3 girls with long hair, and this has been a constant weekly chore for me. About once a week is to remove the tub drain and manually have to pick the hair out of the tub drain with a pair of needle nose pliers. And there's got to be an easier way to do this than to have to manually clean it out every single week. As you can see, the hair accumulates around the thing that supports the drain, and once a week I constantly have to be removing the hair from the drain. It's pretty gross, not glamorous, but it's one of them maintenance tasks that needs to be done. Otherwise, the water backs up and the tub gets stained and it gets kind of nasty looking. So how can I replace that mechanism there with something easy to pull out and just instead of having to pick the hair out? So I bet I'm not the only one facing this issue. So if you have a solution and want to post the solution in the comments field, we can share it with all the viewers.